Hey, welcome. Tamara here. Thanks for joining me today for the outer thigh Pilates mat workout. So go ahead and grab a mat, get some water, and we'll get started. All right, we'll begin laying on one side. You can rest your hand into your head or lay all the way down, whichever's more comfortable. Make sure your hips are stacked one on top of the other, and my feet are slightly on a slight angle, and my abdominals are pulled in. Lift the top leg up. Reach that leg out of the hip as long as you can. Flex the foot, keep it parallel, and just lift up. Think of energy coming through the heels. It doesn't have to be a big movement. We really want to focus on form and keeping that leg totally parallel. 4, 3, 2, now point it. Now we rotate the leg out, keeping the hips one on top of the other as we do small circles with the legs. About the size of like a salad plate or dessert plate. And 3 more. 3, 2, 1, and reverse the circle back. Now my whole leg is engaged. Even my quads are engaged. My glutes are engaged a little bit. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1, and go back to parallel. Flex the foot, rotate it out and in. So here, I like to think of kind of like just like a door on like a doorknob inside my hip, and I'm just like turning the doorknob, opening the leg, turning it closed. Open the doorknob, close it. Really isolating the movement in the hip. So I love this outer thigh workout. I think working my outer thighs is probably one of my favorite things to do. And there's so many great movements in a Pilates mat workout to work your outer thighs. And this movement will also work your inner thighs as well. So I'm definitely starting to feel it engage. And this was a great complement to the inner thigh Pilates mat workout that came out last week. So if you want to get like a full leg workout, you can do both of these together. And let's do one more. Now pulse up 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7. Now I'm really feeling it even more than the first round. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Bend your legs into a 90-degree angle. We're going to do basically the same series at 90 degrees. Hips and knees are in one line. Knees and feet are in another line. Lift the leg up and down. Oh yeah, now it's like extra burning. 7 more. Check your shoulders, make sure you don't have shoulders for earrings right now. Pull it down away from your head. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Little circles. Okay, so I have a tendency when it really starts burning is to kind of start even crunching in my torso a little bit and tucking my tailbone as the pain increases. But I want you to think of reaching your tailbone this way, keeping the torso nice and long, keeping the spine long. Reverse the circle. And keeping the abdominals engaged as well. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the legs together. Now you're going to open the knees. Now bring the knees together and the toes together. Good. So we're going to a little bit more movement here. We still want to challenge our hips to stay stacked one on top of the other. We don't want to fall back just for the sake of opening the leg into a wider position. It can be a small movement, even if it's just here. It's totally fine. Trying to keep your torso as still as possible. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs back to parallel. This is last set, and then we will stretch this leg before we do the whole thing on the other side. And lift got this. 4 more. 4, 3, keep going, don't give up. 2 more. 2 and 1. Woo! All right. Pat it out or punch it out a little bit, and then roll onto your back. Oh my goodness. All right. Bring the ankle over your thigh, pull it forward, and stretch. Okay, I like to hold on underneath my thigh here, and I'm using my elbow to press the left leg open. You can even use your hand to press, but press like just underneath your knee. Don't press directly on your knee. You want to be careful with those joints. And all right, let's do the other side. Okay, stretch your body out nice and long. Make sure your legs are a little bit in front of your hips. And lift that top leg up and down. So with the lower lifts in the first set, you can point your toes, you can keep it flexed, you can switch it up. Whatever feels good is fine. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and now we rotate the leg out. Keep that top hip on top of the bottom hip as we move into circles. So I did mention in the inner thigh workout video that if you want to make this video more challenging, you can add on some ankle weights, and that definitely will take these up a notch. Personally, I'm shaking. I'm good. But if you do this video a lot and you just kind of want to switch it up, feel free to add those on. You'll just keep getting stronger. But don't sacrifice form. Make sure they're still keeping nice form, keeping things nice and controlled, still breathing. If you can do that, by all means, add more weight. Reverse your circle. And back. Five more. 5, 4, 3, 2, rotate to parallel, and flex the foot. Now rotate out and in. Good. Check your abs. Out and in. Five more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Parallel. Keep it flexed now for the last set of pulses up. Check your hips. And 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lift up and hold. Lower down. Okay, bend your legs into 90 degrees. And lift up and lower. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is raining outside today. Southern California is not always sunny. It often is, but not every day. We've actually had a ton of rain lately. And it actually rains a lot more here than I ever thought. And I've been here for 3 years now, and I still have yet to buy any rain boots. Because I think in my mind, I still think, oh, it's not going to rain that much. It's California. I really just need to buy some rain boots. And then my husband and I were talking the other night. Someone was over here, and we're like, oh, do you want to borrow an umbrella? And we're like, we don't even have an umbrella. I'm like, is it just me, or is that a lot of Angelinos and Southern California people? Like, you just kind of think, it's California. It's rain today, but it's not going to rain next week. It's going to be sunny. I don't need an umbrella and rain boots, but I really do. I need to buy some more. And lift up and circle. Oh yes, shaking, shaking. How is the weather where you are? I know my parents are in Pennsylvania, and when I talked to them a few days ago, my dad was like, oh, I gotta go out and shovel snow. I'm like, oh, yes. Sometimes I miss the snow, the East Coast, but I think by this time of year, I was always like, I'm done. It should be spring now, it should be sunny with flowers, but sometimes it would still snow when we were in New York in March. But here you go, it's raining, so there you go. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, legs together, open the knees, and knees and feet. Okay, it's about that time where I'm thinking how good that stretch is going to feel. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, we're almost done, you guys. 1, legs together, last set. 10, 9, 8, don't give up, keep going. 7, 6, breathe. 5, you got it. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We did it. All right, flip over onto your back. Cross the working leg over on top of the standing leg. Bring it forward. Oh my goodness. Okay, relax. All right, rock yourself up to a seated position. We're going to do another stretch because we so deserve it. All right, bring your one leg on top of the other leg. Now, ideally, in this position, our knees are one on top of the other. Mine aren't today, and that's totally fine. The more you do it, the more you'll be able to bring the knees directly on one on top of the other. And how you can make it more challenging by bringing your feet back closer towards your hips, or a little bit less challenging, bringing the feet forward towards the front edge of your mat. But find a sweet spot. We want to think of both hips reaching equally down into the mat. And I'm feeling a stretch here already. You can stretch forward a little bit if you want. Wherever is kind of a comfortable spot, we can kind of relax a little bit and just take an inhale and exhale. Awesome, guys. All right, and switch other leg, one on top of the other. And I know this is a outer thigh workout, but I'm even feeling it on like the outsides of my calves here because we were really working the entire outside of our legs. So this side is a lot tighter for me, a little imbalanced, but that's why we do this. And Pilates is amazing for bringing balance into our bodies. Good, take an inhale and exhale, stretch. Of course, you can stay in these stretches as long as you want. Pause the video, just hang out here, whatever feels good. All right, great work today, guys. Go ahead and give a thumbs up once you've completed this video, and make sure that you subscribe for more videos coming soon. Have a great day. Bye.